Economy Spill Kit, easy to use and ensures a rapid response to small spills. Economy Spill Kit contains all the tools needed to clear a spill safely and effectively. If appropriate, mark the area with a sign or barrier, not provided with this kit. Whatever the substance, all workplace spills can be very dangerous. Ensure you have a process that enables you to handle them quickly and efficiently. In the handy carry bag, you'll find some chemical-resistant gloves. These must be used to protect your hands. Then moving on to the absorption equipment, surround the spill with the socks to prevent any further spread, ensuring a tighter seal as possible. Then begin to apply the absorption pads. Soak up the majority of the volume before using new pads to mop up any remaining residue. Carefully dispose of the socks, pads and gloves in the waste sack provided and dispose of that appropriately.